dear students. Here is Sanju Malik, and this is week 8 and day 3 of week 8. Dear students, we are going to move on for today's topic, that is reasons for the downfall of the Umayyad dynasty. The objective for the topic is to learn the reason for the downfall of the Umayyad dynasty, and the success criteria will be to look carefully all the information and to prepare notes. Dear students, here we are going to discuss the causes of the downfall of the Umayyad dynasty. Yesterday, you have had a documentary regarding the downfall and decline of the Umayyad. That was about the documentary, and that was not enough for you to get more ample information. We are going to discuss from your book, that is page number 34, and there is some causes of the downfall of the Umayyads. And the main causes of the downfall of the Umayyad dynasty includes that out of the 14 Khalifas, the Umayyad dynasty, there was only few of the capable leaders, and the rest of them were incompetent, and they were not contributed to strengthen their rule and their empire. The administrative system was not so good, and they were so weak, and they were insufficient to perform their duties. So there was no establishment of the law, and there was no proper system of the succession of the Khilafat, and the later Umayyads were ruthless, and they were insulted their generals who had won their laurels for them, and they always try to spoke against their generals and their rulers. They treated the territory or the Baitul Mal as their private property. Mean there was not having sense to that it was not for them, it was for the peoples as well. The Umayyad Khilafat was established and ruled predominantly by the Arabs. However, governors and other officials belonged to different tribes. They hampered the integration of the empire and become a cause of many rebellions. The Umayyad rules imposed more taxes on their people than Islam justified, hence causing unrest. These were the all reasons and the causes that made the downfall of the Umayyad dynasty, and the Umayyad was totally fallen that their failure because of these above discussed reasons. Although they were so competent, some of them were so competent, and they were able to rule, but after passing that competent rulers, the rest of them were not competent to carry their empire and to carry their dynasty. So that's why that was the reasons that make them their downfall. So dear students, here are some reasons. You have to read the page, that is page number 34. Underline the difficult words and jot down all the important points which you feel that is important for you.